Right, well, my name's Andrew Hellyer and live up in Kaukapakapa, and we had the shed built, well, I had the shed built about 2.5 years ago, and at the time I had a little business which had aircraft. We flew up to the Bay of Islands and I needed a place to store the aircraft, and I was lucky enough, my parents have a farm to me in the airstrip, so I thought it was a good idea to put a hangar on the airstrip to store the aircraft. Got quotes from probably about 5 or 6 different companies, and there's quite a range. There's sort of the cheaper options, which the construction's nowhere near as good, and there's probably the higher end ones, and I sort of wanted somewhere in the middle. The main reason I chose to go with Macbuilt is Greg was really good. He drove up and met me. A lot of the other companies, they'd send you a quote and they didn't listen to what I wanted, and I wanted a one-stop shop where I could get a quote, put it through council, and they'd come and do the whole thing, the slab, erect it and everything to my specifications of what I wanted. And a couple of the companies would only sell me the materials, and I'd go and find someone else to build it and get someone to put the concrete slab down, and I didn't want to go down that road. And Greg was really good. He listened to exactly what I wanted and gave me a really sharp price and helped me through the building consent process. Once the construction started, it all happened really quickly and efficiently, and the process was really good. It was completely stress-free for me. I was away working at the time and came back at different times during the construction, and I was really happy with the job. There was a different gauge of steel because it is a high wind zone, but going back probably a step further, the construction that I wanted something that was going to last, and my auntie and uncle have built a shed similar to this not far from here, and they got another company to build it. It was quite a bit cheaper, but the steel, it was really thin gauge, and the piles for the footings for the portals, they didn't have them. It was basically just dynabolted into the concrete slab, and it was really flimsy, and the job, it looked really, I wouldn't have been happy with that if it was mine. So I wanted to spend a bit more money to get the next grade up, and I mean, this place will never blow down in 100 years. So.
Yeah. The price you were quoted compared to what you actually paid, how did that work out?
Exactly the same.
Yep. So you were quoted, and that's what you paid. There was no additional costs.
No, there was some. That's one thing. I was quite impressed with Greg, because there was some additional costs to him with the doors and things, but that was all included when I came to pay, and I was really happy with that. Greg was really good with me. He kept me in the loop of what's going on, helped me through the building consent process, and he came up and saw me all those times, and I'm pretty pedantic, and he put up with me, and he worked with me really well. I really recommend Macbuilt to anyone.